Hello, Pro Scratchers. I'm Pro Scratcher, and today I'm gonna show you how to add Scratch add-ons. It's just an OP level. It will just change your Scratch online editor to something you have never seen before. So let's get started. So first of all, we are gonna go to Chrome and search Chrome Web Store. And you go to Chrome Web Store. You click on this, then it will load, and here now you have to search Scratch add-ons. So it's loading. Scratch add-ons is loading. Yeah, so this thing should be needed, Scratch add-ons offered by scratchaddons.com. So click on this, and then there will be an option to add to Chrome. So I've already added, so it's showing remove from Chrome. So when you click on it, it will open a file. It will download a file. It will take some time, and when the file is downloaded, a welcome screen will open like this. So now you can just stop this thing, and you can close this window actually, and then go on to your Scratch editor, and now click on this extensions icon, and then click on Scratch add-ons. So now we have Scratch add-ons in our Scratch online editor. So go on to settings so that you can easily see all its feature. So now it has its I guess 1.18 version. So there are something many new things. So first of all, this turbo warp button. So it adds a turbo warp org button, so that you can just click on it and it will play it in turbo warp. And this I don't know. And control plus enter. So whenever you make a project and you have not shared, you can just press control plus enter and it will share. And custom and compact messages, I guess this will make the messages more compact and easier to read. And customizable default project. So the when you create a new project, it shows the only the scratch cat. So I guess this feature tells that you can use your own default thing, so that whenever you create a new project, it will show this thing. It will show whatever you have to do. So now this thing, 60 fps project player mode. So this is very important, as Scratch gives you only the 30 fps limit, so it crosses it and gives you 60 fps, which is actually very good. So now there is developer tools. So these tools help, like if you press control plus F, then you can whatever you have added the blocks in the sprite, you can just search them. Whenever you are making a very very many codes, many scripts, so it will help. And then control plus place to bring up the add block by name, and control plus left or right to navigate, find history. So now thumbnail setter. So thumbnail setter tells us that you can there will be an option to set thumbnail. So in that thing you can actually even add gif, which scratcher named McVincent has done. So you can watch that video. It's link in the description. So let's move on next. And many of the features I don't know myself. So this cloud games, I guess, available when clicking the Scratch add-ons icon. It shows you how many Scratchers are currently on multiplayer projects and their usernames. Hope you all guys may understand it. And thumbnail setter, compact messages. I guess there were more things. Just a second. Yeah. So. mm so now you can add customizable block colors. So in this thing you can add the colors of anything to whatever you want. So for like motion blocks, you can add green color or whatever you like. And do not automatically run duplicated blocks. This is a bug in the Scratch editor. So what happens is that when you duplicate a block and then put it in the loop, you put it in a loop, the script automatically starts and the flag is automatically clicked. So it's a bug and happens. So this will just disable it. And editor dark mode and customizable colors. So it will just set the mode to dark mode. Currently it's light mode. and it gives gamepad support. So if you have a gaming PC or something like that, then you can connect your gamepad or Bluetooth controller, and then you can play with that. And then hex color pick, it will show the color numbers, so the hex color identity, and then messages in the editor, and you can see the messages while flicking the extensions and clicking slash add-ons. You can quickly see your messages. So onion skinning, I don't know very well, but pause button, so it adds a pause button to your Scratch editor near the next to the green flag. So when you click on it, the project will pause, and when you click again on it, the project will start again. And this is also a very cute feature, I would say. So basically what it has, that on the April Fool's Day, you might see that the cat blocks come, so in which the in the events thing, there are cat blocks at the top. So this happens only on April Fool's Day. You can just take it forever and forever use it. So yeah, enabling it, forever add this. And there is a clone counter, so it will show how many clones are produced. And then there is a debugger. It's in the 1.17 update, I guess. So in the debugger, you can debug means checking errors, warn error log, and many more things. I'm not a very pro on that. And yeah, better emojis. And this was it, I guess, because I'm not a very knowledgeable in this Scratch add-ons. I am still learning about it. So this was it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.